Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to use Apex Trader funding. So here we are in their website, and basically in summarization, this is what Apex Trading or Apex Trader funding is. So basically what it does is basically you're the trader, and then you will receive a percentage of their trading profits, with a portion going to the trader and the remainder shared with Apex. So the current split is going to be designed so that the trader will keep the 100% of the first $25,000 that they earn, and then after that there's going to be a 90-10 split, 90% for the trader and 10% for Apex after the $25,000. So as you can see right here, Apex Trader funding, you can take control of your brand new future. So basically how to use this is going to be simple. So I'm going to explain to you how it works, because this is a prop firm, and actually a lot of people think this is really sketchy, but I'm going to explain to you how it works. So this will be an evaluation process to identify skilled traders first, because they are internationally, as you can see, are internationally trading company. So they're gonna show you why you want to choose their program right here. So I've told you about the $25,000 per account, and then 90% will go to you and 10% goes to them. So there's gonna be two payouts per month. You're gonna be able to trade full size contracts and evaluation or funded accounts. No scaling or failing by going over contract sizes, no lady drawdowns, trade on holidays, and many much more. So here the benefits of ATF is going over minimum trading days, trading thresholds, and trading almost 23 hours a day and not 24 hours. So they even got PAVS versus your eval accounts right here, but let's just explain how it works. So right here, you're gonna have your 75k full and many much more, 100k full, 150k full, 250k full, and 350k full. So this is gonna take you up to $600 per month, of course, when you're gonna start. But I would start with this one first. You're gonna get two contracts with 20 micros. You're gonna have a profit goal of only $2,000 or up to just $1,500 from that. So basically, how it works is the program follows a structured evaluation process to identify skilled trading worthy receiving funding, of course. So if you're not good in trading, they're not going to fund you, of course. There's going to be a type of evaluation before this happens. So you can get these types of full funded actual accounts once they have received your own actual skilled trading worthy funding skills. So from there, in order to gain your funding, you need to meet a profit target on your evaluation. Like what I've told you, as you see, you have your profit goal right here. If you don't reach that, you won't be able to be funded. So from there, you're going to be having this list right here of what you can do with each account and what's your profit goal and your trading threshold. So from there, you will have the trading threshold, which is actually just misunderstood by many people. So you're going to try to make it simple as possible for you. So here you will have to have an evaluation account of $25,000. So you're going to pick this one. And then you have 1,500 trading threshold. That means if you lose 1,500 from your account balance, you would fail the evaluation. So as you can see right here, the higher your funding account capital is, the higher the trading threshold is, meaning that's the amount you can only lose. If you lose, they won't be able to fund you because you just proved them you're not worthy. So that's basically your trading threshold. And basically, you would want to trade platforms. So you can use your Apex right here. So you can even copy trade with multiple accounts with your Apex. So basically that's it. They're just gonna fund you once you prove yourself to them using this. So to get started from here, all you have to do is choose one right here. Let's just do this with the 100k static capital. Press the trade evade right here. And then you will have to place everything right here, like your name, payment system, email address, and everything else. So from there, it would look like this when you first enter. So when you choose your own actual trading pair, you will go here in the top left corner and you can search it and you can change it. So here we are in the mini Nasdaq, and if it's yellow right here or orange, it's not yet, we're not yet open market, and you have to wait for it to go white so that it will actually be able to be tradable. So here you can buy a market order or sell a market order, or you can do a limit order right here by buying bid or selling ask. You can do the amount right here, and here in ATM you can do take profit and stop losses. So here ATM, you just have to turn that on, change the ATM name, and then if you want from ticks, like just 1 2 3 4 5 ticks, you can choose to do that. And you want to the type to be take profit and stop loss, and then choose your take profit. If it's 2 to 1 or 1 to 2, you can save that. So basically there. And then here, when you go to the top right corner, you will see your equity and your open PNL. You're also going to see your account name right here. So basically, the only thing you have to actually see and check always is your max drawdown. This is the max loss that you can account for. If not, you will lose the funding possibility right here. As you can see, you have $2,500 of max your drawdown loss. If you lose this, then you won't be able to be funded. So you also have your daily loss limit, your week loss limit, and your daily profit trigger. You can exit all positions and cancel all right here if you feel like you have to close all positions. So basically, that is how you use it. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.